Okay, so my technology related activity, I chose to work on transformations. Transformations is a topic that we cover in geometry in high school, and I thought it would be a good idea to work on transformations for my assignment. So let me see. Okay, so activity one has to do with translations. So here I have an original shape. I had a hard time labeling the shape, so I decided to just go with A, B, C for all of these, and then A2, B2, C2. And then that way, students would know which one was the original and which one uh, was the other shape. Okay, so for activity one, translations, you have to see what translation was made here. So you have to write the translation rule that moves triangle A onto the target triangle. So for example, if you have X, Y, or A, B, C, then your transformation would be A plus what, B plus what, C plus what to order in order to get to A2, B2, C2. Let me move this down here. Okay. Okay, second part of translations. This says sketch the translation of the triangle up 4 units and to the right 3 units. So students would go in here and they would see, okay, here we have this point right here, which is at -3, -5. So I need to go up 3. So 1, 2, 3. No, sorry, up 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 3. So 1, 2, 3. So my new point would be right here. Now this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 3, 1, 2, 3. And then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then students would use the line over here in order to draw this shape. And then they would see that they translated it. So that way they can do it on their own. Okay. Now for the rest of the topic, it kind of goes the same. So it has to do with translations, rotations, reflections, and then the first one has your mathematical answer. The second one asks you to sketch. So for rotations, what rotation moves triangle A to the target triangle? Include the angle and center of rotation. So here, this would be, oh no, sorry, this original triangle, you would see what is the rotation that makes it move to the second triangle. So, and then students would type in the angle and center of rotation. And then for this one, it says sketch the rotation of the triangle 180 degrees. Then for the last one is reflections. This one says, what is the line of reflection that maps triangle A onto the blue triangle? So your original triangle is right here. Your next triangle is over here. And I drew the line of reflection here. And then students would just describe what kind of line that is. Then for reflection here, they would sketch the reflection of the triangle over the x-axis. So for this one, they have to know which one is the x-axis and then how to move it so that it looks like it's been reflected that way. Okay, getting towards the end of the activity, this one is called mystery activity. So this one says, describe which transformation was completed here and describe how you know that. So this one doesn't tell you which one it is, so students have to do a little bit more thinking. Hopefully by now, after working with the other 3 types of transformations, they know which one this one has to do with. The original triangle is up here, the new triangle is down here, and then they would just type it out here. Last one, I like to add this to all of my activities for my students. It just says, it's you basically just have to ask which transformation do you find the easiest, hardest, why, and that goes with any math activity that we do. You always want to know what questions they have. And last thing, any questions, please be detailed below. And since this is an assignment that nobody else can see, then they're pretty good about sharing what they don't understand and what they need help with. That is my technology related activity. Thank you.